We will talk about error code E39, Toshiba UFD error code PM control error. So it means like E39, this error occurs when you are doing auto tuning or like you are doing start your motor. Okay, so normally it occurs when motor start, so it is taking too much high currents. So for that, what you can do, you need to check your motor using any external device like impedance is sorry inductance is okay, and check all the parameters are good you have set into the VFD. Okay, and third, what you can do, you can check like all wiring is proper, and fourth, you can check like connected equipment what is connected on the motor, and there could be a belt, there could be any gearing section, so that is not stuck. And third, what if all these things are okay, so in that case there could be the issue with the drive. There are internal CT current transformer, so that also could be the damage. If like everything is fine and still it is showing error, so it could be. And if like you found all everything is okay and it's good, but still there is issue like same error is coming, it means there are chances to be error inside of the VFD. Okay, and before that you can do one more thing, you can change the motor if you have a spare motor, and you can try to run that. Okay, so if you have the similar motor and with the same size same specification, you can replace the motor and you can try to run that. So there are chances like you will get is there any real issue inside of the VFD, or it could be like outside of the VFD like motor wiring and connected device and all. So with these all things you can get the solution, I hope so. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. I will help you to resolve your issue. And checking, I can provide you one PDF. That will be what on very minimum charge, but that will help you to resolve your future upcoming issues, and it will help you like to get complete training about the VFD.